In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can scroll down and click on those icons at the top right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Let's go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher to turn them off or switch them on, and hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wanna customize it though, click on the same icon, and this time use this plus one under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. As you can see, this time a theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to manage any of your keyboard themes, go back to the same section in Settings and click on it. In case of a custom one, you can tap on this pen to edit it. Then choose Apply again. And in case of one of the downloaded ones, you can delete it from My Themes section. Then download it again wherever you want to. Tap on bin icon and choose Yes. Remember that if you decide to delete one of your custom themes, it will be gone forever until you create it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!